Hello everyone, this is Teacher Maya at tayo ng Mathnood at Mathtuto kay Teacher Maya.
Topic is quadratic inequalities, and this is only the first part of our lesson. So in this lesson, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-identify kung ang given expression ba ay quadratic inequalities. Okay? So before that, syempre, kailangan i-define natin ang quadratic inequality. So pag sinabing quadratic inequality, it is an equation of second degree that uses inequality sign instead of an equal sign. So ngayon naman, we have the four symbols used in inequality. Ang una ay ang less than symbol. So ito ay ginagamit kung ang number na nasa left ay mas mababa kesa sa nasa right. Next naman ay ang greater than symbol. So, ito naman ay ginagamit kung ang number na nasa left ay mas mataas kesa sa nasa right. Then, we also have less than or equal to. So, pwedeng mas mababa o equal ang nasa left sa nasa right. And the fourth symbol is greater than or equal to. So, ito naman, syempre, mas mataas ang nasa left or pwede namang equal sa nasa right. Maliwanag ba? Okay. So, ngayon naman ay meron tayong apat na general forms ng quadratic inequalities. Ang una ay ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Okay, next is ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. Third, ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. And the fourth one is ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so umpisahan na natin ang pag-identify. So, i-identify lang natin kung ang given expression ba ay quadratic inequality or not. First one is x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, meron tayong mga conditions na titingnan. Una, dapat ang isang variable ay naka-raise sa second degree. And the other one, dapat meron tayong mga symbols ng inequality. So, sa expression na to, present ang quadratic term. Kaya lang, wala tayong right side. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong symbol of inequality. So, ibig sabihin, this is not a quadratic inequality. Anong tawag sa kanya? It is a quadratic expression. Next is x squared minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so dito meron tayong left and right side. Kaya lang, ang ginamit na symbol ay equal. So, kahit na present si quadratic term, if ang symbol na ginamit ay equal, then, hindi pa rin siya quadratic inequality. Anong tawag dito? It is a quadratic equation. So, not a quadratic inequality. Next is quantity x minus 1 times quantity x plus 2 is greater than 0. So, dito naman, wala man tayong quadratic term, pero kung imumultiply natin ang x minus 1 and x plus 2, then the answer is x squared plus x minus 2 is greater than 0. So, ibig sabihin, this is a quadratic inequality. Then, next is x squared plus 8x plus 15 is less than or equal to 0. So, present ang ating quadratic term. Ang symbol na ginamit ay less than or equal to. So, meaning, this is a quadratic inequality. Then, the last is 2x squared minus 8x minus 10 is less than 0. So, dito, present ang ating quadratic term and ang symbol na ginamit ay less than. So, ibig sabihin, this is a quadratic inequality. Okay? So, ang susunod naman ay tell whether the given mathematical statements illustrate quadratic inequality. Justify your answers by translating it into mathematical symbols. So, ang first example natin dito is x is not more than 13. So, ibig sabihin dito, si x ay pwedeng mag-equal to 13 or hindi siya pwedeng maging mas mataas pa kesa sa 13. So, we have here x is less than or equal to 13. Now, ang tanong, ito ba ay quadratic inequality? So again, wala ang ating quadratic term. So ibig sabihin, it is not a quadratic inequality. Okay. So anong tawag sa kanya? It is a linear inequality. Example number 2. Value of x is greater than 7. So, we have x is greater than 7. Wala tayong quadratic term, pero meron tayong symbol of inequality. So, ibig sabihin, this is not a quadratic inequality. It is only a linear inequality. Next example is 13 more than x is greater than 14. Okay. So, paano naman to? 13 more than x is greater than 14. So, this is x plus 13 is greater than 14. So, dito, hindi ulit present ang quadratic term, pero meron tayong symbol of inequality. So, ito ay example ulit ng linear inequality. Then, number 4. 5 added to the square of x is less than 20. So, si 5 daw ay i-add natin sa square ng x, then this is less than 20. So, we have x squared plus 5, then this is less than 20. Ayan. So, we have a quadratic inequality. Then, next is the length of the pool is 12 meters longer than its width, and the area is greater than 90 square meters. Okay, so the length of the pool is 12 meters longer than its width. So, ibig sabihin, ang length ay nakadepende sa width. Pero, hindi naman given sa width. Okay? So, we have L, then W. L is for the length and W is for the width. And to get the area of the pool, syempre, we are going to multiply the length and the width. Pero dapat alam natin ang width at saka ang length ng pool na ito. So, hindi given ang width, so we are going to represent the width by x. Then, sabi dito, the length of the pool is 12 meters longer than its width. So, dadagdagan natin si width ng 12. Okay. Ngayon, we have x plus 12 multiplied by x, then this is greater than 90. So, ito ba ay quadratic inequality? Okay, so malalaman natin if we are going to multiply x plus 12 by x. So, x multiplied by x is x squared. Then we have 12 times x is 12x. Then this is greater than 90. So, dahil present ang ating quadratic term and ginamitan siya ng greater than symbol, so ibig sabihin, it is a quadratic inequality. Next, and this will be the last example for today's topic. The width of the garden is 5 less than its length, and its area is 50 square meters. So, dito, given naman ang width, pero kailangan si length. Okay? So, area daw is 50. So, kailangan natin ng length at width. So, ang given dito ay ang width. Ang unknown is the length. So, let us represent the length by x. Then, the width is equal now to x minus 5. Okay. So, dito, syempre given ang ating area which is equal to 50 square meters. Now, let us multiply the length which is represented by x by the width which is x minus 5. Then, this is equal to 50. So, pag tinimes natin si x and x, the answer is x squared minus x times 5 is 5x. Then, this is equal to 50. Is this a quadratic inequality? Okay, hindi siya quadratic inequality. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, so yan ang ating lesson for today. Identifying whether a given expression is a quadratic inequality or not.
Again, this is Teacher Maya saying thank you for watching. Please, mag-subscribe na kayo sa aking YouTube channel and mag-like and share. And also sa aking Facebook page.